If you don't have a way to do something, instead of giving up and trying to purchase some product or run to Amazon or just whatever, think about a way, because there might be a way. So we have this airbed. I got my ground sheet and I'm in a tent on the property here. So we have this, and this is the flange opening. It will take forever and a day to blow that thing up. It takes about 20 minutes, and I would just sit and listen to music or watch a show or something or a video while I do it and take my time. It takes a while. This one's kind of small, but anyway, sorry for the strange lighting, because just blame the white man, don't blame me, blame the white man. And Samsung, well, I guess that's not the white man. No, never mind. Yeah, I was right. No, scratch that. Blame the white man and Japan for Samsung. They won't let me use my flash because the battery is low, because it's not up to me how I use my power and my device. Anyway, I had this. I thought of, we have that opening. This occurred to me one day. Just think about it. Think how to connect. What could you connect to something else to get from one piece to another, one shape to another, one surface, one orifice to another? How can you make some adapter or connect something or jam something in there? There's always a way. And you'll start finding, if you do projects and crafts and stuff, you'll start collecting different materials, different shapes, different things, and you'll start to think of different purposes. Something will always have a purpose. This stuff is just sitting here, not that. Yeah, I got this Gorilla Tape, repair tape, very strong, and I have an inner tube. I have this, and this end actually fits perfectly in that flange, in that hole. I couldn't believe it. So it jams perfectly in there. It's going to be airtight. So that's one end. I figured I could try to tape this airtight onto there, even if it leaks a little bit. We're not creating some complicated pressurized system. It's fine. As long as it'll stay good enough. I'm pretty sure I can get an airtight seal though if I do it right. With this tape, make sure there's no creases. Completely seal it up. Oh yeah. Connect that to that. Not a problem. That's going to jam into there. Then close up the other side with tape real tight. Fold it down. I could have put some silicone in there, waited a while, but I'm just doing this quickly. And yeah, so I'm going to tape that end. That'll be sealed. So that'll terminate. And I'm going to connect my hand air pump to that. That is going to connect to that, and that is going to go right into that hole. And I'm going to have a homemade hack for an air pump from junk stuff that's in the scrap pile that I saved. So let's do it. 200,000 million years later. Yep, and there it is. I put really strong tape, really tight around a few times, because if you keep tightening something around, it will build up tension. So that should be pretty airtight. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I took this end and I closed the end, and then I taped it really good and tight, and then I rolled it up 3 times like a dry bag would be, and then I taped it a bunch of times. I didn't go too crazy with it, but then I just blow in this end a little bit, and it's sealed up. It's good. And I know this valve works and my pump works, and I know that that fits very securely into the hole of the air mattress, like I said. So I know that this is gonna work. So it's already, I know it's successful. It's really cool when you can understand just the basic engineering of stuff and how things are working and you're like, yes, this is gonna work. I know it's gonna work. So I mean, it should, unless there's something I'm not realizing. But yeah, I'm gonna use it a little bit and blow it up, and I'll show that. Yep. Yeah, there we go. It's raining now, but yep, got this strange contraption and it works. And yeah, it'll take 100,000 pumps. Well, maybe not 100,000, but it'll take a lot of pumps. But I'd rather it be all those hand pumps than using, you know, my lungs. Yeah, pretty cool. There you go. Ghetto bushcraft hand pump hack. Works like a charm. Yeah. There you go.